All right, that was my frozen corn on the cob in my crock pot. Next, I'm coming in with my 10 mini pork chops. And I'll put that right on top of our corn. Go ahead and flip those over and get them just spread out as best as we can. This is a super easy all-in-one crock pot dinner. All right, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season this with some salt and pepper. So super quick season. Perfect. I have here some frozen chopped onions. You can use fresh, it won't make a difference. And we're gonna kind of just get that around the edges of our delicious pork chops. All right, I used about 3/4 of that bag. Now I'm gonna bring in my partially cooked bacon slices. I have 6 slices, and that's gonna go right on top of those onions and those pork chops. It's gonna add some great flavor. It's gonna cook nice in there, and that grease is gonna go onto those onions, to that corn, to those pork chops, and add the most delicious flavor. Now I have a couple mini potatoes that I'm just gonna kind of throw around on the sides of our crock pots. These are optional, but I just love a little potato with my corn and my pork, so that's why I decided to add a few of them. And these will cook up super quick because they're so tiny. So let's just get like a border of those potatoes in our crock pot. Yum. Absolutely delicious. Now to tie everything together, I have a family size cream of mushroom, and this is gonna go on top of our bacon and our pork chops, our onions. Might get a little bit on those potatoes. Oh yeah, I love cream of mushroom, but if you don't like the soup, the Campbell's condensed soup, you could obviously make your own. I think it's relatively easy, but I wanted this to be super quick so I can just throw it all together and get this cooking so that we can have dinner ready on time. So let's get all of that family size can out, and we're gonna just kind of spread that on top. So we have the corn, the pork chops, the onions, the bacon, the potatoes, and now our cream of mushroom, and that's right on top of there for this super easy all-in-one pan dinner. I am so excited to get this cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on, and we're gonna pop this one on high so that we can get it ready in time. All right, you guys, it's been 4 hours on high. Now you can cook this for 8 hours on low if you wanna set it in the morning and it'll be ready for dinner time, but let's check this out. Oh my, it smells incredible. Woo-hoo. All right, it is time to dig in. Let's kind of dig into that sauce and grab a chop. Oh, that looks perfectly cooked. Let's grab some potatoes. Then you can spoon some of that gravy on there as well. And then of course, we cannot forget about the corn underneath. So let's go and grab a corn. Ooh, look at that chop. And then we have our full dinner all-in-one crock pot. It is time to give this a try. Okay. Let's cut into this pork chop. Now you can sear your chop if you want to, but I don't really have a preference on that, so I just throw them in there. Oh, wow. That is tender, juicy, and delicious. Oh, let's try one of these potatoes. I think we can just go. Oh, look, they're perfectly cooked. You guys are gonna love this.